Welcome back again. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS border styles, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS border style with rich value. Quickly, let's use it. Back to our document. We're having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the group value, and right now we want to use the rich value. So let's use rich. When you use rich, save your document. Now come here, right here. Let's use our rich. Let's change this our border style to rich. Reload your document and see what you got. Can you see the rich value? It's so nice, right? It's also looking like a 3D. So it depends on what you do. Try to practice this, because if you don't practice it, nobody will do that for you. And again, let me use this also in our another element. Let's use it in our fit set element. Let's see how it's good. It's go with it. Let's reload our document. Now can you see every can you see every preset? See the way they are looking. They are looking nicely, right? I can do a lot with this. You can control it if you want. So try your possible best and practice it, because practice makes perfect. If you don't do it, nobody will do that for you. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. To our next tutorial.